Your account can't be used in this location, Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can solve if Netflix says that your account can't be used in this location, and go to help.netflix.com. So when Netflix usually says that your account cannot be used location, it means that your account wasn't bought directly from Netflix or an authorized source. If you didn't create your account directly with Netflix or bought or received your account from an unauthorized retailer, you'll need to sign up for a new account in the same country. Because if let's say I'm in a country where they don't accept international payments, so that's why I'm not being able to charge, and in that case I take help of third-party providers where they buy the subscription for me, I pay them, and then they give me the account. If they're in another country, I will not be able to use that account, and that's when it says Netflix cannot use this location. Or it could also happen if you're traveling, right? If you recently moved to a different country, your account may not be available in that location. Just cancel the membership, create new Netflix account on that same country with their payment method. Now your membership could also be a part of the package. It may not be available in your current location if it's part of the package. Now it could also mean that your VPN account is turned on, so just make sure you turn off VPN if you have happened to have a VPN. Then after that you disconnect your VPN, you should be able to solve the issue. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.